It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here, and today we are evaluating exponential equations. So let's get started. We are evaluating when x equals -3, the equation y equals 4 times 2 raised to the power of x. Evaluate is a fancy way of saying that we are substituting -3, in this case, for x. So let's go ahead and do that. So when I go ahead and substitute -3 for x, I get an equation that looks like this. And what we know about negative exponents is if we want to make the negative exponent positive, we change its location. So in this case, 2 to the power of -3 is in the numerator. To get that exponent positive, we drop the base and the exponent to the denominator and change the exponent to a positive. So we end up with y equals 4 divided by 2 to the power of 3. And when we simplify that, we end up with y equals 4 divided by 8, also known as half. So we just evaluated our equation when x equals -3 and ended up with an output of half for y. Let's do it again. We are looking at y equals 1/3 times the quantity 6 to the power of x. And we are evaluating this equation when x equals 2. That means we're just going to plug in 2 everywhere we see x, and then we're going to simplify. So 6 squared is 36. We multiply that by 1/3, and we get a simplified y value of 12. And our last one, we are evaluating y equals 20 times base 4 to the x power when x equals -1. That means we substitute -1 in for x. When we do that, we end up with 20 times 4 to the power of -1. We're using the property of negative exponents. So again, we are moving the base 4 and its exponent to the denominator. And when we do that, our exponent becomes positive. So that gives us 20 divided by 4, which is a y value of 5. Make sure to subscribe for more math videos. Till next time, remember, you've got this.